Let me show you the template video first.
और फिर अचानक से एक दिन तुम्हारी बैग तो बस तब तक सब्र और
It would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. Here is your QR code. Now we will see how to use the template QR code. Once you see this type of photo on your screen, all you have to do is take a screenshot of it. Open the VN app, click on this scan icon, then click Media, and upload the screenshot you just took. Automatically scan the QR code. Here, click on Use. If you do not see the Use button here, click here to download. You will now see the Use Template option. Now, upload all your photos or videos you want to use for this template. Click Next. You can export the video. It would be great if you could like this video and subscribe to the channel for more such premium templates. See you guys in the next one.